Welcome to this tutorial on setting up eToro social feed and engaging with traders. eToro is a leading online trading platform that allows users to trade a variety of assets, including stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The social feed is a key feature of the platform, enabling users to connect with other traders, share ideas, and learn from their experiences. To set up your eToro social feed, start by logging into your account and navigating to the newsfeed section. Here, you can customize your feed by selecting the types of posts you want to see, such as market analysis, news, or trader updates. You can also choose to follow specific traders, whose posts will then appear in your feed. Once you have set up your feed, you can start engaging with other traders by liking, commenting, or sharing their posts. This is a great way to build relationships, ask questions, and learn from more experienced traders. You can also share your own trading ideas and insights, helping to establish yourself as a knowledgeable and credible trader within the community. To get the most out of the eToro social feed, it is essential to follow best practices. This includes being respectful and courteous in your interactions with other traders, avoiding spam or self-promotional content, and ensuring that your posts are accurate and informative. By following these guidelines, you can help create a positive and supportive community, where traders can share ideas and learn from each other. In addition to engaging with other traders, the eToro social feed also provides access to a range of educational resources, including webinars, videos, and trading guides. These resources can help you improve your trading skills, stay up to date with market trends, and make more informed investment decisions. To maximize your use of the eToro social feed, consider the following key concepts. First, diversify your feed by following a range of traders with different backgrounds and areas of expertise. This will help you gain a more comprehensive understanding of the markets and identify new trading opportunities. Second, be active and engaged, regularly posting updates and responding to comments from other traders. This will help you build a strong reputation within the community and establish yourself as a credible and knowledgeable trader. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a powerful eToro social feed, engage with other traders, and take your trading to the next level. Remember to always trade responsibly, do your own research, and never risk more than you can afford to lose. With the eToro social feed, you can connect with a global community of traders, share ideas, and learn from their experiences, helping you become a more successful and confident trader.